guys, Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting one. I'm going to be doing a review on my new MacBook. So I'm super excited. I know I just did a MacBook review February of last year, but you guys, I have a toddler. He's 19 months, and you know, when you have kids, stuff happens, and he practically kicked my laptop onto the floor and broke it. So I had to get a new one. Thank God I came across it. This one, you guys, I'm super I've been eyeing this laptop for the longest time. So when I finally seen it, I was like, yes, I know they're coming out with a new one the end of 2021, but you guys, I couldn't wait. I needed to get this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the box off. I screamed, y'all, look at this box. And here is she. Oh my gosh, beautiful, you guys. She is beautiful. So here's the front of it. And you guys, I'm coming from a MacBook Pro. Now my MacBook Pro that I bought last year was refurbished, so it wasn't brand new, and it was like the thick MacBooks, like super thick. So me upgrading from that to this is such a big change because this is so lightweight and so thin. Now the only difference is this one does not have a CD drive like my old one did, but that's okay because I don't even use CDs anymore, so that's fine. I like how also this is glass. It's like a mirror versus my other one that had like the backlight when it was on, so that's also a big difference. So I'm gonna open it. And you guys, I was like a kid in a candy store. Like, it has Touch ID to unlock it, which I'm gonna show you guys. So here's the MacBook open. You guys see there's like my little screen. I picked that as my desktop image, and it is Touch ID. So I have it set up where I just put my thumb and it unlocks. I don't even have to put my password in. Yes, making things super easy. So there's the home screen I already have set up. I picked this up because for those of you who don't know, purple is my favorite color, so I really like this. And I also want to say how it's cool that the desktop picture actually changes throughout the day, like with lighting. So you guys see how it was purple and now the color changed. It's really cool where that's concerned. And also I did customize, put a new page. I have my background, I chose a butterfly, and it shows like everything like that. So I really like how you can customize this laptop for yourself. I'm obsessed. And you guys can see, as far as the size of the computer, it doesn't come with much. This is the headphone jack on this side, and then on this side is just the charging ports, lightning port for if you want to charge your phone or something like that. But a big change from my MacBook Pro as far as what's on the sides of the computer, but I feel like less is more, so you can't compare when that's concerned. The performance, literally when I listen to this speaker versus my last MacBook, it literally sounds like surround sound. Like, I'm like, the specs on this computer is amazing. Got the 13-inch MacBook Air, and this one has the Touch ID, the full-size backlit Magic Keyboard, has Bluetooth, FaceTime. It has the headphone jack, because I know Apple's taking head jacks away from everything and everything's Bluetooth, but I do like my old school headphones, Retina display and all that kind of stuff. But you guys, I was just like super excited to get this. Such a big upgrade from my last MacBook. And you guys know I'm on the computer a lot because I'm always editing and posting on YouTube and Instagram and everything. And basically me working online and working from home is my job, so I needed something that was like really good, really quick, really fast, and I'm like absolutely obsessed. It's only been like a day and I just keep looking at it and I just can't believe that I have it. So I'm gonna show you guys what comes in the box. It does come with the charger right here. The charger is definitely something new to get used to from my last one. So you guys see that, and then it also comes with the little booklet. I'm gonna open, and inside here, see the little Apple thing. It does have the Apple stickers, the rose gold. I never use the stickers that come with MacBooks or iPhones or any Apple product. I just think they're really pretty, so I don't use them. Does have like the manual and all that kind of stuff in here, so I'll probably leave that in there. Then it does have the charging block for the laptop. Super cool. So that's pretty much all that came in the box. Just the charger. It's here. I'm so excited. And you guys, the internet is super quick. It's so fast. And the music, like, it's literally, you guys, my own hair review. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. No complaints. If you guys are looking to get the MacBook Air, especially the newer models, I would go with the MacBook Air. I just love the sleekness of it. I love how thin it is, how lightweight it is, how portable it is. Now I'm literally on the hunt for a MacBook case because how many times my child has dropped my laptop. I'm not even gonna say him. Me too. I've dropped mine. My daughter hasn't. She's been good, but just between me and my son, like that MacBook had to go because we were just tearing it up. So I gotta get a case. Right now I do have this one. This is like one of my old travel cases, laptop cases, like with this little compartment and then inside. So I've been using this laptop case for like a long time back, like when I had my HP computers, and it is really a great case because it's padded, and you know when your laptop's in here, like it's protected. But I do want to get a hard case to put on it when I'm just like around the house. This is pretty much like only for like when I'm traveling, like on the weekend and stuff like that. So I'm definitely gonna be putting this to use, but I'm so nervous because the laptop's so pretty. Like I almost don't even want to put a case on it, but I know I need to make it last. So that's gonna be the next thing that I buy. But you guys, I'm super excited. It's literally 6:12 in the morning and I'm filming this because I couldn't even wait. Like it's literally the next day and I'm like, I have to film this review. I'm so excited. So if you guys are waiting to make the plunge, do it. Just love how the light on the computer, like the keyboard, and it's just so pretty. So absolutely obsessed right now. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions about the MacBook Air, leave them in the comment box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.